Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about rainy season. So let's start our today's video. Our title is Rainy Season. India is a hot country. We have the Indian Ocean to the south of our country. In summer, the air becomes very hot. It rises very high in the sky and in its place winds full of moisture come from the south. They strike against the mountains and bring rains. These winds are called monsoon winds. In India, the rainy season begins during the June month and lasts up to September. The arrival of monsoon in India is through two routes. The southern states of Kerala and to the northeastern states through the Bay of Bengal. The rainy season is a blessing to the farmers. As many crops depend on the amount of rainfall during the monsoon. The rainy season helps to maintain the groundwater level in the nature. During rainy season, nature comes its full beauty. Animals in the wild become playful during rainy season. As they get plenty of food and water. It is also time when Earth replenishes its natural resources and water reserves. The rainy season is a very important season which is necessary for the life cycle to continue. the rain is the must for India or world to nourish cattle as well as human beings and plants. Rain cleans our environment from pollution. Rainbow is seen in the sky. Rains bring happiness and joy to all the people. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.